You might know I've been on a bit of an AI journey from having my trapdoor moment, realising that AI was coming for my business as a Google Ads, web design, SEO freelancer, and to find my new place in the world, I needed to move fast and learn a whole bunch of tools. Seeing what worked and seeing how I could improve the work I'm doing for businesses already, and perhaps finding a new product to build and sell too. So I launched Arrow, the sister to Steady Bow Marketing, where I have been building and deploying AI tools for new and existing clients alike. Tools include novel ways to use chatbots within the appliance repair space, dynamic curiosity-based lead generation embeddables for websites, sales calls, recordings and analysis programs, and most importantly, AI receptionists to answer the phones. The goal was pretty simple: stop missed calls, save time, and help small operators win more jobs without being glued to their phone all day. And it's working. I've seen clients book more work, handle more leads, and finally get some breathing room and detach themselves from their phones. But as I keep growing, something keeps bothering me. More and more AI voice agents are popping up. Some of them are solid, others less so. I'd hear of agents and AI receptionist services that pretended to be real people, ones that mishandled sensitive caller information, or worse, services that made big claims with no real substance behind them. And that's when it hit me, there's no standard. Then out of nowhere, Sam Altman himself said something similar. We're on the brink of a significant impending fraud crisis due to AI. There's no agreed bar for what's acceptable in the synthetic voice agent scene. There's no shared definition of doing it properly, and in a space that moves this fast, that's dangerous. If no one sets a standard, trust will collapse before it's even built. So I decided to write one, a standard for AI receptionists. And that's how CallTrust was born, the world's first voluntary standards association for AI voice agents and AI receptionist providers. It's not a legal requirement, it's not another badge to slap on your website and forget about. It's a public code of conduct, one that any responsible builder or AI services provider can point to and say, we follow this. And if they don't, that's useful too, because now there's something to compare against. Now, this idea didn't come out of nowhere. When I wrote my book earlier this year called Talk More, Automate Smarter, there's an entire chapter, 5, all about voice ownership, ethics, and what happens when your voice becomes digital property. And that chapter ended with a simple question: what happens when the trust gets lost? CallTrust is my answer to that question. The code itself is built around 7 core areas. 1, AI identity, transparency. If it's an AI, say so. Clearly, no vague phrasing, no pretending. 2, voice cloning consent. If you're using a cloned voice and it's not your own, you need written, revocable consent. 3, data protection. This means full GDPR compliance. Caller data should be stored securely, kept private, and deleted when requested. 4, professionalism and quality. The AI should speak clearly, handle calls respectfully, and deliver real value. 5, honest marketing. If it's an AI, don't sell it as live human support. And if you're quoting prices, make them easy to check, not buried in the fine print. 6, fairness and respect. Your AI should never be offensive, biased, or tone deaf. 7, accountability. Every member of CallTrust needs a way for clients or callers to raise complaints. And those complaints should be acknowledged, not ignored. Now here's what CallTrust isn't. It's not about policing the internet, it's not a legal body, it's not designed to slow anyone down. This is about credibility, about creating a trust layer the whole industry can build on top of. And yeah, it's voluntary. But once you're in, you're listed publicly, and if you break the code, your badge is removed. We've built a human-led review process. If you slip up, we'll tell you what needs fixing. If you lie or misuse data, your membership's gone. CallTrust is now live. The code of conduct is published. The badge exists. The very first providers, such as Zeno AI, are already listed, and we're inviting more to join. So if you're building AI phone agents, or if you're hiring them, this gives you a way to show that you care about doing it properly. We're building tools, we're building trust, and if you want to be a part of that, you're in the right place. So visit calltrust.org to apply to join the AI Receptionist Standard Association today. Thanks.